Okay, the first thing we're going to do is a curved line, kind of like a top of a rainbow or a banana. And I just go back and forth until I get the line right. I'm going to do it a little darker than usual today so you can see it a little bit better. But normally I do it lightly in case I want to make changes. It makes it easy to change if it's not really dark. So there's the top of the banana or the dolphin, and the bottom, I don't really try and hook the ends together exactly, but I just bring another line over that's not quite as curved, and they sort of meet at the ends. On one end, I'm going to continue with the line out a little bit further, like that. And this is going to become what's called the melon of the dolphin, or the forehead. That's going to be the dolphin's beak. And where the two come together is a nice little line that really makes it start to look a little bit like a dolphin. Starts off really dark and gets lighter and lighter and lighter. On the other end, I'm basically just going to put a triangle sort of hooked onto the back of the dolphin there. In the middle of the triangle, I'm going to put a little V on its side like that, and it makes it look a bit like the dolphin's tail or the tail flukes. Right in the middle of its back is the dorsal fin, and the dorsal fin leans back toward the tail so that it looks kind of streamlined and fast. Do dolphins have arms? Not really, but they've got something kind of like it. They've got a pectoral fin, or a flipper, kind of on its side, and then one will stick out from under the body of the dolphin like that. And once I shade it in, it's kind of magical how it makes it look like it's coming from the other side of the dolphin. I put a little bit of shading on the tummy of the dolphin, a little bit of shading on the flipper, and then I'll erase that with my finger, and there we go. It's kind of 3D looking. The dolphin's eye is down low, not up on top of its head. The eye is about down there, and the blowhole is up there. They breathe through the blowhole. Dolphins are mammals just like we are, except they're marine mammals that live in the ocean. So they breathe air like we do, and they give birth, live births, like people do. And they even have a belly button like we do. Okay, the last step on doing this dolphin would be to take the pencil, and for camouflage, dolphins are darker on top of their body and lighter underneath. That helps them to be hidden in the water a little bit better. So I go along with my pencil and shade in the back of the dolphin, getting a little bit lighter and a little lighter and a little lighter. And that's pretty scratchy looking for a dolphin, but watch what happens when I take my finger and rub it hard against the dark part of the drawing. It spreads it out and kind of shades it to look more like a real dolphin. Okay, if I want my dolphin to look like it's really going fast, I learned the name of this from one of the artists that was drawing with me. You can put little speed lines coming off the dolphin, or it could be like water dripping off the dolphin if it's jumping out of the water. There we go. That can be all you have for your dolphin, or you can decorate it. It can be a spotted dolphin. It can have striped markings. Have fun with it.
That was so good.